Greetings everybody, trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. Allow me to encourage somebody while I was on my way home and it was raining so much, and I'm just thinking about this. Dinge gaan verander. I like the Afrikaans version. Dinge gaan verander. Things are gonna change. It does not look like it, but if you believe it, surely it shall happen. Surely it shall happen. Dinge gaan verander. Sy weet nie wanneer nie, sy weet nie hoe nie, maar weet net dat dinge gaan verander. Things are gonna change. Be it in your workplace, be it in your family, be it in the environment you're in. Things are gonna change. The war is gonna end. Die oorlog gaan eindig en hy gaan lewe in die oorvloed van God. Because jy wil vir iemand te sê, ek wil vir iemand sterk optel, iemand wat die kyk en wat my hoor. Things are busy changing. Things are gonna change. Speak it, believe it, and know it. There's something that I made, and I said that these words I said that you need to believe it and it shall happen. And here's that word that struck me. Frame it, name it, claim it. If you believe it, surely it's gonna take place. Your daughter will get saved. Your son will get off from drugs. Your family will get back and be restored. You will have a permanent job. You will have that house that you're waiting for. You will have that, what you've been praying for many years. It shall surely happen. And that's why I say, things are surely changing for you. Things are gonna change. Dinge gaan verander. It's gonna get better. It's not gonna get worse. Before things get better, it gets worse. I'm here to tell you. Can you put in the comment section, things are gonna change. It's not easy, but it's worth it. I'm reminded when a lady gives birth, she knows the baby is at hand. And she says, I know something great is coming. A blessing is coming. So I'm here to tell somebody, things are busy changing in your life. Dinge gaan verander. Dinge bly nie vir altyd dieselfde nie. Ek ken die God. Hy gaan jou uithelp. Hy gaan dit doen. Ek vertrou die Here nog vir dinge in my lewe en ek weet dit gaan gebeur. Ek weet nie wanneer nie, ek weet nie hoe, ek weet nie hoe nie. Maar I have a promise that surely it's gonna happen. You don't know, but it's surely gonna happen. So it's encouraging someone with it. Things are busy gonna change, and surely it will happen. Believe it, know it. Surely it's gonna happen. So it's be blessed.